All right, so this next step, step 5, has some wackiness to it. And so you can watch this video. It's actually pretty good, and that will kind of guide you through. I'm going to give it a shot and see how I do. But basically what we want to do is orient this thing so we're looking at the front. And then we're going to make a new sketch. We're going to select the front plane, and the easiest way to do that is to click over here on the left. That will drop front plane in there for us. Then we want to use this top edge. Make sure you're not selecting the whole thing, but just the top edge. And then we can turn the use tool off, and we're going to make a line that goes constrained to this corner down here in space somewhere, not constrained to anything else. So we don't want that yellow line, we just want it out here in space. Then we want to take that line over to this point right here. Just hover, don't click, and then we'll come straight down with it, so it's straight down from that point and horizontal to the point on the right. We'll click, then we'll come back up here and constrain this line to this top edge. It could be anywhere along here. All right, and then I can't remember if we need a line connecting those two. Let's take a look at this video really quick. So they go top corner down into space somewhere. Hover, don't click. That keeps it vertical and horizontal. Click there. Up here, anywhere, and then they do not close it. Okay, good. So from there, we are going to make those two lines parallel. So we select the parallel constraint and then select the two lines. You can see it pulled this line over a little bit when I did that. Then the next thing is going to be to put some dimensions on this thing, and it's got the dimensions here for us. We want these two lines to be 0.5 apart. So we'll get our dimension tool, boom, boom. We'll make that distance 0.5. And then we need to set the degree measure from this top line to the top of our thing here to be 25 degrees. And so we'll kind of zoom in on this, get our measure tool. The distance from this line to this line in terms of degrees is 25 degrees. Okay. And I think that's it for this step. There's quite a lot to it. Let's go back and just double check. We got it all. Parallel, add the dimensions in the image below. I think that's it. If you're like me, you probably need to watch this video a couple times to get the job done, but there we go.